Hello friends. We are seeing India being one of the fastest growing economies in the world. Even despite global uncertainties, India's GDP continues to grow. And at least for the next few years, India's GDP growth is assured because our working population is increasing. Also, because of the measures taken by the central government, we are finding manufacturing revival. We are finding many sectors doing very good in terms of its growth. And that brings me to our launch of ICICI Prudential Midcap 150 Index Fund. As you are aware, index funds are a convenient way, without having a demat and trading account, to invest your money in basically the entire set of 150 names which are part of this index. So the Midcap Fund has 101 to 250th by market cap in terms of the stocks, and these are diversified stocks across many sectors. The largest sector being financials at 17%, then you have manufacturing, then you have auto. So it's a very well diversified index. Also, if you look at stock concentration, the largest weight of a stock is 2.5% approximately, and then the entire 150 stocks are below that. So you have diversification of sector, you have diversification of stocks, and most important, as India's GDP grows over the next few years, we are going to see widespread participation from many sectors. And these 150 mid-cap names will have many stocks which are leaders of the future. So it is a way of participating in the leaders of the future, in the large caps of the future, starting early. And also in terms of performance, the Midcap 150 index in the past has added to your wealth if you had invested in that. So from a perspective of investment, this is a good addition. We've seen some correction in the market right now, but if your overall asset allocation allows you to invest in equities, this is a good fund to start adding. And you can do an SIP as well as lump sum for the long term. And we believe that with India's growth, the mid-cap universe will also grow in terms of not just its profits, but also in terms of its wealth creation. And you can be part of that journey through the ICICI Prudential Midcap 150 Index Fund. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.